Welcome to a new level of comfort with the FUKAyi Modular Sectional Sofa featuring high-density foam cushions for ultimate softness. This modern compressed 3-seat couch ships compact and quickly expands once unpacked, so give it 24 to 48 hours to fully bloom. Designed with straight lines and wide armrests, it fits perfectly in living rooms, apartments, studios, or offices. The modular design includes corner and middle sections that are lightweight and easy to rearrange for any space or layout. Lounge deeply on the large seating area with soft, premium upholstery that feels gentle against your skin. Assembly is simple, and while some wrinkles may appear from compression, a low-temperature iron can smooth them out gently. Transform your space with this stylish, versatile, and comfortable foam sectional sofa today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.